Hi friends, good evening. This is Tomal once again, and today is the second part of the Windows, that is how will we create a folder in my desktop. Uh, this is the mouse, the inside part of the mouse. As you can see, I am moving it on my desktop portion. Now make right click it of it. So I just right click and clicked on new option. As I clicked on new option, this menu option will automatically comes up. Click on the folder part. See a folder created by the name new folder 3. If you want to rename it by your own name, you can rename it. I rename it by my name Tomal and press enter. It already this desktop contains already the folder called Tomal, so it says either rename it or something. So I said no, TAMAL 1 and press enter. Now this time is taken. So this is the way I can create a folder in the desktop part. Okay. Now be it desktop or C drive or D drive, whatever be the drives over here present, the same way you can create the desktop. Like see, I clicked on C drive, and then in the right pane I click a right click. The same see, the new option comes, I click and the folder option comes. So this is the way you can click and right click and create a folder with the help of that right menu, new folder option. So this is all the for the session, all the for the, all the session. This session is all over here, and we will do some thing new in the tomorrow session, but uh, of the Windows part. So be with us, and thank you for sharing, subscribing and liking my video. Email is dastomal6@gmail.com. Call is 8420879158. My website is www.prccomt.org.in. Thank you for sharing, subscribing and liking my video. Thank you friends.